Definitely being independent, and when you've been with such a big brand and you left and you are striving for that stories. But it is very important that the day you leave, lot of people who believe in your struggle and journalism, they come to you, they join you. Maybe they may not know you, they subscribe you, they share your stories. I think that is very important. Definitely it is a difficult path with less resources, with less money, but most important, that's what I say, that's what I believe in, कि आप जब वो स्ट्रगल का रास्ता चुनते हो ना, तो वो आपका गोल इतना बड़ा होता है कि आपकी मंजिल इतनी ज़्यादा ऊपर है कि वो आप चलते जाते हो. और आई एम नॉट डूइंग समथिंग एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी, आई एम डूइंग द बेसिक थिंग विच इज़ जर्नलिज्म. जो सच बोलने का काम जर्नलिज्म में होता है, मैं वही कर रहा हूँ. अगले नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो अब अलग बात है कि आप उनको, वो मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया बन गए जो लेट गए. हम तो जो जैसे थे वैसे ही हैं ना, हम उछल के ऊपर हो गए ना, हम लेट के ज़मीन पर सजदे कर रहे हैं. तो हम जैसे हैं वैसे हैं, बट इट इज़ अ डिफिकल्ट थिंग आई थिंक. बट you get inspired, you have inspiration like Mahatma Gandhi, you get inspired by Imam Hussain, you get inspired by everyone. There are a lot of people to get inspired. You're inspired by Muhammad Ali, you get inspired by Vinesh Phogat for that matter. After struggling so much, she defeated world champion, would have got silver, but it is okay. So you learn from the people. I think there are people who are struggling more than me. I think they inspire me a lot, inspire us for a lot. So that is, I am speaking on the behalf of the team of the Red Mic, and I feel that whosoever is watching us should support our journalism, should subscribe Red Mic. We don't ask for money, but we want you to watch and share our stories.